Buddhism, a path to enlightenment and compassion. Buddhism, originating in ancient India, is a profound and influential religion and philosophy that offers profound insights into the nature of existence, suffering, and the pursuit of liberation. With its teachings and practices, Buddhism has touched the lives of millions around the world, providing guidance for personal transformation and a path to attain enlightenment. Origins and teachings. Buddhism traces its roots back to Siddhartha Gautama, known as the Buddha, who lived in the 5th century BCE. The Buddha's teachings, often referred to as the Dharma, were grounded in his personal quest to understand the fundamental nature of suffering and to find a way to transcend it. Central to his teachings were the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path. The Four Noble Truths. The Four Noble Truths form the foundation of Buddhist philosophy and understanding. They are dukkha, suffering. The first truth acknowledges the existence of suffering as an intrinsic part of human existence. It encompasses physical and mental pain, dissatisfaction, and the impermanence of all phenomena. Samudaya, origin of suffering. The second truth explores the causes and origins of suffering. It reveals that attachment, desire, and ignorance are the root causes of suffering. By recognizing and understanding these causes, individuals can work towards liberation. Nirodha, cessation of suffering. The third truth offers hope and liberation by proclaiming that the cessation of suffering is attainable. By eliminating attachment and desire, individuals can transcend suffering and experience lasting peace. Magga, path to the cessation of suffering. The fourth truth outlines the path, known as the Eightfold Path, that leads to the cessation of suffering. It is a holistic framework encompassing ethical conduct, mental discipline, and wisdom. The Eightfold Path. The Eightfold Path is a practical guide for living a virtuous and fulfilling life while cultivating wisdom and compassion. It consists of the following interconnected aspects. Right view. Developing an accurate understanding of reality, including the Four Noble Truths, impermanence, and the absence of a permanent self. Right intention. Cultivating wholesome intentions, renouncing harmful thoughts, and fostering kindness, compassion, and goodwill towards all beings. Right speech. Practicing truthful, compassionate, and beneficial communication while abstaining from harmful speech such as lying, gossiping, or using harsh language. Right action. Engaging in ethical conduct by refraining from actions that cause harm to oneself or others, including killing, stealing, and engaging in sexual misconduct. Right livelihood. Earning a living in a way that is honorable and does not cause harm, avoiding professions involving activities such as trafficking, killing animals, or manufacturing weapons. Right effort. Cultivating effort and energy to abandon negative mental states, develop positive qualities, and maintain mindfulness. Right mindfulness. Cultivating moment-to-moment awareness and mindful attention to one's body, feelings, mind, and phenomena without judgment or attachment. Right concentration. Developing focused and concentrated states of mind through practices like meditation, leading to deep tranquility, clarity, and insight. Wisdom and compassion. Buddhism places great emphasis on the cultivation of wisdom and compassion. Wisdom arises from understanding the true nature of reality and the impermanence of all things. It involves transcending the illusion of a separate, enduring self and realizing interconnectedness. Compassion, on the other hand, is the heart of Buddhism.